Hi, my name is Elyssa Matson, Managing Broker of EJ Properties located here in beautiful Orange County, California. Today we're going to talk about rent to own. If you've been thinking about home ownership but aren't quite ready to buy, or if you're a property provider looking for more income, long-term stability with an idea that you'd like to sell in the future, then let's talk about rent to own. Rent to own is exactly what it sounds like. A tenant rents a property with the option to purchase it later. It's not a traditional sale, and it's not a regular lease either. It's a hybrid strategy designed to benefit both sides of the deal. For buyers, it creates breathing room. You can move in now, lock in today's price, and buy later while you work on your credit, save for a bigger down payment, or even get a feel for home ownership. Some of the rent might go towards your purchase. Usually it goes rent plus premium, so the premium goes towards your purchase, and that's real equity building while you rent. For property providers, rent to own means higher monthly income and a more committed tenant. You're offering an opportunity while still generating steady cash flow and potentially securing a future sale. It's also a great exit strategy for investment properties that you're planning to sell in a year or two. For property providers, rent to own means higher monthly income and a more committed tenant. You're offering an opportunity while still generating steady cash flow and potentially securing a future sale. It's also a great exit strategy for investment properties that you're planning to sell in a year or two. What to watch out for is what's in the agreement. Like any creative strategy, the details matter. You'll want a clear agreement covering the option fee, which is usually non-refundable but does need to be clearly stated, what portion of the rent goes towards the purchase, and who's responsible for maintenance during this term. Make sure everybody understands it's not a guarantee to buy, but it's an option to purchase. As a reminder, not all tenants will buy. Keep expectations clear and use a solid agreement. This strategy is best for credit rebuilding buyers, owners planning to sell in 1 to 3 years, investors seeking stability and an exit. At EJ Properties, we create tailored solutions that benefit both sides of the deal. We also help both buyers and property providers create rent-to-own agreements that are fair, clear, and legally sound. If you're curious about this strategy, whether to rent, invest, or sell, reach out and let's talk about whether it's a fit for your goals. Again, my name's Elyssa Matson, EJ Properties, Orange County. Talk to you next time.